Hello beautiful people. Superfoods, credited with amazing health benefits, contain high levels of essential vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. New research is cropping up all the time about nutrient-rich produce, and berries consistently make the top of the list when it comes to superfoods. You can count on berries to boost your nutrition, and there are a few varieties that have only become available and popular in the US in recent years. These come from various parts of the world and contain so much nutrition in their tiny packages that they've earned the title superfood. But before let's go further, I have to ask you, looking for the perfect weight loss smoothie recipe? We've gathered the top 25 best smoothie recipes for fast weight loss. It's a free gift for you. Check the first link in the video description to download for free these yummy smoothie recipes that help you burn belly fat, balance your hormones, defeat diabetes and enjoy all-day energy. Now, let's take a look at 4 of these super berries and how you can add them to your diet today. Acai berries. Acai berries are one of the hottest superfood trends today. The buzz is well-deserved and has brought these berries front and center in restaurants and juice bars all over the world. Hard to pronounce, acai, and, until recently, hard to find, acai berries are native to the Amazon rainforest. They are harvested from a palm tree, and the indigenous people in the area have used them to treat everything from cancer to arthritis. Studies have shown that acai berries are very high in antioxidants, which can protect cells from damage. This is probably the reason that the berries support such a wide range of bodily systems, from the circulation to the skin. Acai berries are available in many forms. An acai bowl is one of the most popular ways to eat them, which is blending frozen acai into a thickened smoothie consistency with various toppings. They are also a delicious addition to muffins and breads, or try adding a powdered acai to smoothies. Golden berries. Golden berries may look like yellow raisins, but they pack a powerful punch. This superfood is low in sugar compared to most berries and has lots of anti-inflammatory properties. Snacking on these can help manage blood sugar and even aid in weight loss, since they are low on the glycemic index compared to similar treats. They are also considered to be a cleanser for the liver and kidneys. The sweet and tart flavor of golden berries makes them a terrific addition to salty snacks like nuts and pretzels. Mix them into your favorite trail mix recipe for a super boost. Mulberries. The humble mulberry has been eaten in North America for centuries but is only starting to get the credit it deserves. Mulberries are sweet and mild, which will please even the pickiest of eaters in your family. Even better, they are packed full of essential vitamins like potassium, calcium and magnesium. In fact, less than an ounce of mulberries will supply 100% of your daily vitamin C. The natural sweetness of mulberries makes them great in jams, or even baked into muffins. Goji berries. These dried fruits pack a punch for your immune system, and contain about the same amount of vitamin C by weight as oranges. Like other super berries, goji berries contain lots of antioxidants, helping the body prevent disease on a cellular level. Studies show that these tasty tidbits can have big effects on your overall sense of well-being, supporting restful sleep and increasing energy. They may even slow the aging process. Most commonly found as dried or powdered, goji berries are quite tart. Add them to smoothies, or just as you would use raisins, substitute with goji berries for toppings, baking, or trail mix. Whether you need an energy boost or you're looking to heal from an illness or injury, these berries will help you bounce back. These super fruits provide your body with some much-needed nutritional TLC, with their mega dose of essential vitamins and minerals. Supercharge your diet today with any one of these berries, your body will thank you. Also, don't forget to download our free gift for you. Check the first link in the video description to download for free 25 yummy smoothie recipes that help you burn belly fat, balance your hormones, defeat diabetes and enjoy all-day energy. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye and see you in the next video.